Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Hummer super luxury gold motorhome instantly evokes a vision of unmatched extravagance and imposing presence in the recreational vehicle market. With its super luxury and gold designations, this fictitious vehicle would combine the classic, sturdy look of the Hummer brand with an unprecedented degree of grandeur, marking a significant break from traditional motorhome design. From the outside, this motorhome would definitely draw attention. One would expect an even more pronounced and commanding silhouette, building on the Hummer platform's natural roughness. The gold element would probably take the form of a finely applied finish, either a metallic gold paint with a high sheen, or even real gold accents on key external elements like grills, badging, and unique wool designs. Its extravagant character would be further highlighted by integrated LED lighting, perhaps with adjustable ambient effects. Heavy-duty protection components, an elevated suspension, and sturdy off-road tires would all preserve the Hummer's spirit of adventure while being housed in an incredibly lavish packaging. The 2026 Hummer Super Luxury Gold Motorhome's interior is where its super luxury really shines. Each fixture and surface would be picked for its outstanding appearance and quality. Picture interiors covered in the best leathers that are sourced responsibly, perhaps in rich hues that blend well with the exterior's gold hues. Modern entertainment systems and appliances would be housed in custom cabinets made of exotic hardwoods and inlaid with mother-of-pearl or precious metals. The bathrooms would have luxury fixtures, rainfall showers, and marble or onyx surfaces, much like those in five-star hotels. With personalized bedding and sophisticated lighting controls, the sleeping quarters would resemble presidential suites. Integration of technology would be crucial. Anticipate a user-friendly and all-inclusive smart home system that manages everything from entertainment and sophisticated security features to lighting and climate management. An unmatched transportable entertainment and communication center would be created with high-fidelity music systems, sizable retractable display screens, and seamless satellite connectivity. The luxury experience would be further enhanced by features like retractable balconies or panoramic sunroofs, perhaps with electrochromic tinting for rapid tinting. For such a large and luxurious car, the underlying Hummer chassis would supply the required strength and longevity. Although luxury would be the main focus, the sturdy engineering would guarantee a steady and comfortable ride that could go over a variety of terrains if its owner so wished. This gilded monster might be moved with ease thanks to a high-performance drivetrain, possibly hybrid or all-electric. Ultra-high net worth individuals looking for a statement item that blends extreme mobile luxury with an unmissable, bold style would be the target market for such a vehicle. The 2026 Hummer Super Luxury Gold Motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a mobile statement of the highest level of luxury and individuality, making a big impression wherever it goes.